Good morning, responding to comments from bed, and here's what you said. You said that you were wondering why I duetted you in a video. And the reason I did that is because I read your hashtags and they said that you were bored, and that kind of made me sad. I thought to myself, why would any teenager ever be bored in this world? There's so much to learn and so many ways you can help to make the world a better place. And I had suggested to you that you duet the videos of animal rights activists. It's not hard to do. You just literally film something like your kitchen table and then just write on the left side of the screen, go vegan or something like that, or support this channel, or don't hurt the animals, or plants have protein, or animals feel pain, don't eat them. Or you can put links to the important documentaries like Dominion Movement or Earthlings. So yeah, that's why I did that. Responding to comments from bed, and here's what you said. You think that putting dogs on a vegan diet can kill them. Well, if you are buying a brand of dog food that is recommended by a vet, a vegan brand, you will be completely fine. Just give 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. And my dog Bella has been vegan for well over 5 years now. She's doing great. She's just like any normal dog. Her pee is fine, her poo is fine, her blood work is fine. Everything about her is completely normal. But the ones who will die are the animals who you pay to kill if you are not buying vegan dog food. You know? I just don't think that my dog's life is worth more than the life of a pig or a chicken or a cow. And if I can save everyone, why wouldn't I do that? You know? Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. You said that I'm getting not very many likes on my videos, and that means that I should probably stop creating videos, I guess. Well, I don't see it that way. Because let's say I was getting all likes on my channel, then that would mean I'm not really reaching the right audience that I want to reach. I don't want to be out here talking to vegans. They're already not hurting the animals. I'm trying to reach people like you who are still eating them and who are still paying for their exploitation. And I'm trying to get you to see that you don't have to do that. And I'm trying to educate you to let you know that the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anyone can be vegan at any stage of development, and that you were born vegan to remind you of that, and that you just need to go back to your roots, because I know you're not a bad person. I know you don't want to hurt animals. So that's why I'm still here. Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. You're asking if you can eat shrimp because you think they don't feel pain. Well, what evidence do you have of that? Shrimp have a nervous system, and if anybody tries to come close to them and pick them up or hurt them, they recoil. They don't want you near them. They do feel pain. They are alive, and they have a right to their lives. And there are so many other things to eat. Now, don't get me wrong. I used to eat shrimp too, like you. I wasn't always vegan, right? I've only been vegan for 6 years and a bit now. But you can choose to eat anything else in the store, so why wouldn't you do that? I mean, when you think about it, eating shrimp is kind of gross. You're literally eating their head and everything. It's like, do you also eat worms? Like, just don't. Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. You're asking me if I would eat a chicken nugget to save the world. So here's my answer. I don't waste time with questions like this because that'll never happen. But here's my question to you. Would you not eat a chicken nugget to save a chicken? And if you think about it, a chicken has never done anything wrong to you ever. A chicken is just there existing for their own reasons, to be with their families, to just live life, to look at the sky, to peck at the ground. You know, they're just here on the planet with us, not for us. And you can easily be vegan by choosing any of the other thousands of other foods in the store. So rather than leave your mark on the planet as being a mean person, why don't you be nice and be vegan? Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. So Tobias, you're saying that it's day 5 of you trying to get a hold of me to let me know that you made a video about me. But here's the thing, sweetie. Lots of people make videos about me. And most of the times when I go to those videos, they are people being mean. They are people shoving dead animals in my face or showing me how they are killing pigs or kicking cats or being mean to dogs. Like, it's pretty atrocious out there. So Tobias, unless you made a video that is really sweet and that somebody else would recommend that I actually trust, I'm not going to be seeing your video because I don't need to be traumatized. You know, I'm here to defend the animals. If you want to make videos, hopefully you're making videos to protect them as well. I hope so. Hope that you're one of the good guys. Responding to comments from bed, here's what you said. You're asking about almond milk and whether it is good for you. Well, thankfully, almond milk does not come from a cow, so it's vegan in that sense. And it doesn't come from a goat, so it's vegan in that sense. And a lot of people like to buy almond milk and they think it tastes good. In terms of health, you're better off to drink soy milk because it has a little bit more nutrients in there, and so does oat milk. When I have the choice, I do buy soy milk as my number one go-to. But, you know, for variety, once in a while, if I'm out at a coffee shop and there is oat milk, I'll take that too. But you also might want to look into how the bees are treated to make almonds. Now, almonds are vegan, but you have to look a little bit into the background about some of these things in order to get the full picture. Yeah.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You say, she's at Starbucks. I guess you saw the video where I was at Starbucks. I was there with my friend Margaret, and we had just been at a secondhand clothing store, and we went there afterwards. I didn't actually buy anything that day, but in the video you see that I'm holding this little package of some sort of chocolate with a little peanut butter in it. And that was actually something that she bought. And it makes me laugh because I do these videos, check the label, and somebody wrote, don't forget to pay, which of course we did pay. I was just, reenacting the video afterwards. But yeah, I go to different restaurants and I try to encourage them to have vegan options. I always ask, what have you got that's vegan here? And I use the word vegan often to normalize it, to make people think, you know what, we should have more cruelty-free things here.
Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved, be vegan.
responding to comments from bed, and here's what you said. You said that you're very early and you want to know why I am vegan. Well, I became vegan because I found out about the incredible suffering that the animals go through on factory farms, which is where the vast majority of our meat, dairy, and eggs comes from. Every time you eat at a place like McDonald's or anytime you go to a grocery store, you're paying for animal suffering. You're paying for somebody to kill innocent animals who never did a single thing wrong to you ever. And when I realized that, when we think about monsters on the planet, I realized that I was one of those monsters. I was paying people to hurt these animals. I didn't need to. You can be 100% healthy as a vegan. There are vegans in the Olympics. There are vegans of every walk of life, every age, every demographic, every race, every religion. And I realized I should be vegan too. So I did. Yeah.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's